Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to write a VLOOKUP formula with an inbuilt or an independent range. Let's go. An independent range, or we can say like a lookup range, is not placed in anywhere within an Excel file, but it's written within the formula. Before going to the concept, we will understand the basics of how rows values are separated and columns values are separated, or we can say what is the symbol which separates a row or a column values. Equal to, I'm selecting a row. I'm going to formula calculate now. The calculate now option is briefly explained in my previous video. If you closely look into this range, I have selected a row values and converted into a range. If you see the range, the lookup values or the cell values are separated by semicolon. A row values are separated by a semicolon. Now we can see how the column values are separated. Now I am randomly selecting an horizontal range equal to, I'm selecting two values horizontally and selecting F9, that is calculate now. Now you can see the horizontal values are separated by comma. So the vertical values, the vertical range is separated by semicolon and the horizontal range is separated by comma. Now we can use this concept and convert an inbuilt range. Now I'm going to write a simple VLOOKUP function equal to VLOOKUP, comma, table array is nothing but the range. Now based on the lookup value, we have to find out the values. Now I'm selecting 2 and we need exact. We can mention 0 or false. Control enter. Now you can see the cell values of north, it is direction n. Now if we closely look into this formula, if I delete this range, you can see a reference error. So this is the main advantage of this concept. This is one of the advantages. Now I am converting the range into values. A2 to B5, I'm selecting it and selecting F9. So you can see an independent range within the VLOOKUP formula. Control enter. So if I delete this range, now the range is not placed in anywhere in the Excel file. So it is placed within the formula. So the north and direction n, it is separated by semicolon because it is horizontal. After the first combination, you can see a semicolon which is the next vertical. So his lookup value is direction E. In this case, the vertical is separated by semicolon and horizontals are separated by comma. There are multiple advantages when we start using an independent range, but I am highlighting few advantages. We don't have to search for the range location, or we don't have to search where the range has been placed. If we unknowingly delete a range which is placed in an Excel sheet, the formula will show an reference error. This is one of the Excel errors. If VLOOKUP is referring the range which is placed somewhere in the Excel file which is deleted accidentally, so it will show up as a reference error. We can modify the VLOOKUP formula very easily. So if we want to select another combination, we can select semicolon and randomly writing another combination A B C D comma 1 2 3 4. Control enter. Now if I write A B C D, it is showing as 1 2 3 4. So it is very easy to modify. There are multiple advantages. These are the few advantages. If you start using an independent range, you can experience much more advantages. I hope this video is useful. Thank you so much.